Want to start a blog in 2025 without spending a single dollar? Well, stick around, because today I'm counting down the top 6 free blogging platforms that you can use to share your ideas, grow your audience, and maybe even turn your blog into a business. Let's dive in. Welcome back to Zero Tricks, and if you're new here, I break down the best tools and tips for creators, bloggers, and entrepreneurs. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you love free resources like this. Number 6. Blogger. Starting off at number 6, we have Blogger, Google's classic free blogging platform. It's super beginner-friendly, integrates with Google services, and still works great in 2025. While it lacks modern design options, it's reliable and simple to use if you just want to write and publish. Number 5. Ghost. At number 5 is Ghost. The hosted version is paid, but if you don't mind setting up hosting yourself, the open-source self-hosted version is completely free. It's fast, modern, and built with blogging and newsletters in mind. Perfect for creators who want more control. Number 4. Wix. Number 4 is Wix. Known for its drag-and-drop website builder, Wix is a great choice if you want a visually stunning blog without touching code. The free plan gives you a Wix-branded subdomain, but the design freedom is a huge plus compared to other free platforms. Number 3. Substack. Coming in at number 3, we have Substack. This platform has exploded in popularity because it's both a blog and a newsletter. You can write posts, send them straight to your readers' inboxes, and even monetize through paid subscriptions. Great for building a loyal community. Number 2. Medium. Number 2 is Medium. If you just want to write and get discovered by readers, this is the place. It's clean, distraction-free, and has a built-in audience. The trade-off? You don't get much customization or branding flexibility, but for pure writing, it's perfect. Number 1. WordPress.com. And at the top of the list, number 1 is WordPress.com. It's been the gold standard for blogging for years, and in 2025 it's still the most versatile free option. You get tons of themes, solid SEO tools, and an easy upgrade path if you ever want more features. If you want a platform that grows with you, WordPress is your best bet. So that's my countdown of the best free blogging platforms in 2025. Which one would you start with? Drop your choice in the comments. And if this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe, and stick around for more tools to help you grow online. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.